The Swing-away BBQARM is a brilliant simple design that you can easily attach to a drawbar, rear bar or tow hitch in under 2 minutes. Here's how to use a BBQARM. Step 1. Slip the BBQARM mount over your drawbar or rear bar and tighten the screws on the back. For the vehicle tow hitch mount, simply slide it into your tow hitch receiver. Step 2. Unwind the handle to loosen the mount, slip your BBQARM in and wind the handle back up to tighten the arm in place. Step 3. Slip your tray into the slot at the end of the arm and you're ready to roll. The arm itself can be swung away and locked in for travel. To set up, just loosen the handle, swing the arm out and retighten the handle before slipping the table in, ready for use. We had a custom bracket made and fitted underneath our caravan so that we could attach our BBQARM and cook underneath the awning. However, now BBQARM have their own under-chassis mounting kit for those who want the same. Having a BBQARM is handy to use for outdoor cooking, a happy hour table, a serving station and anything else you like while caravanning, camping and four-wheel driving. For 5% off all BBQARM orders, use the code MYRIG at checkout on the BBQARM website. For more caravanning tips, head to myrigadventures.com.